Good morning, good morning. Jim DK be on the pallet. It's your girl listening to get it on bodies bay. Rapping live at Nzimeni say. And it's been a while. Yeah, you're alive, Biako. Yeah, alive. This time when you and then they will take our leniency for granted. Motimo can I could games yet in there. We are back again. Before I talk, Mama be shout out. Shout out to Jojo Mojo. Shout out to Sticky Bangi, Tolozi, Safety, 97 Avenue, Money Fame, and many more all inside Nzimeni. And I say, yeah, I just say big ups to you all. And when I go outside, big ups to Taba Boy Loco. Yeah, and big ups to Kwekubani. Big ups to Answer Bills, Wade Mills. Many more. But some women can walk here on me a live video be some I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Me some live video be more it is all about the unemployment youth of Nzema. The youth me or Nzema I say 100% over 80% are not employed. And even if they are working bobola, it's more or less okay Ghana the least payment well 500 cedis ebe nka wele yejima mo wi azu no sro ko bonya la jibo bobo ni akpinye ne e ba ho asanu bejo bitu 1.5 or 200 Ghana cedis. We are not being fair to ourselves. By ele campaign unu aba ko deleka o say hey tejima ekpende waya ekpende jima waya enye square 5 cedis bobo be waduke. In this modern time it says enye square 5 cedis be waduke. You don't have any aim. What happens o ha chialonkwe let's go straight to the point. And it's all about care. Ghana Gas. Military news be what West End Radio, which is isn't the past days. Mama de care. Ghana Gas man more that surrounding towns mama be kehlibe nyene munyene be hlibe bi ale be twenwe which is Azuma blows. Be hlibe liquid soap. Ne kamo. Oh, Banyadi. I'm saying it point and black. Banyadi. What is between you? What is liquid soap? Bizarre can make is how many people are patronizing that kind of business. Many but on liquid soap more marketing the cause rebel maba. Many near bay between you more marketing. Damn later from the cam damn Miss between you yet. Miss Boomy ye, Miss Pano ye, Miss Baby Diala. That does not mean I went somewhere to learn. I really okay. They'll be all she's my friend, so I've been looking at it. The dog Ghana Gas or that and the Mazrayas when I said boy training many for something better. It's the Betunian and liquid soap. What is Betunian and liquid soap? What are you trying to tell us? Ghana Gas man be we care dear more where hand to mafia and we yukula. But Omuan on your fault, via him for more. What agreement did you go with Ghana Gas? What agreement did you go with Ghana Gas? Agreement with them Ghana Gas Holia. Eh? Ye my jackains and a yellow bully. Ye didn't want young way, didn't want young way all of bully like let's shake me to him. I mean, most me to him. Major won't pament boy. On his own. On easy cry. There will be a bad day. But I know you've been watching me. But I'm basically on easy. Yeah, Moti in zone Ghana Gas work is a better. You always say I'm attacking Ghana Gas, but probably I'm not attacking Ghana Gas. Melek can't be a mood kebe in zone. Beje. Yeah. The last time I said it, country like how do you call it? Dubai. They don't have president, only chief imam. Oba dia ya vike menzezo moko eziama anako de bicycles nobody guard no anything ebi anya shi because of boy and they didn't start at Dubai agbanyi Dubai. They started from somewhere okay kaka Dubai bele nyevile the biggest hotel in the world Dubai kana ebi akwakwa enzen okodi di onya na yede Nzema yede Ghana yele cocoa yele diamond bauxite gold. Right now, what are we waiting for? What are we lacking? So be here more data my Ghana ye so be boy yen go yen. Why? Because no haleli lenyen and neke. Ben Ghana hale bengile ye. Ghana Gas more yen wikela. So tankers mama de bebe sembe kola. Imwali anyelezu. Na bize wonke pipe mobile underground mo oko. na hanala as it do mo fanu ho as oya do mo sin of fazan pipe ni enu ansa na that loading tankers mo besana as it do mo wonu ho we don't know a day na tanka kun bobo as e bule eba wonke ya ye cheese mo benya hwe be mva nwole ye cheese mo you are not talk so ben Ghana gas mamo beda be ba ha ben Ghana gas mo associate nipu beda be be to sale ben zo be diale ya muti ba Ghana gas ma fa ya adun ye kenge kuraje be fa ya adun be dun wa be bobetek ke kura be bela yo na kpanyin mo da be me belai muti be se kwase ando ma beti azo kon benti azo nyo muti se we ka ko bu wo kwase for the first time we ngre be fast when zo we shift away because senana said time class alawa I change my class go to your class let me go to my class is it by force? It's not by force. Yeah, but here is the case, Ken. Yeah, madam, listen, I do get mom declare. I'm saying, okay, yeah, over 80% of the youth of Enzamani. Yeah, and the negotiation between Ghana Gas and our chiefs. Yeah, and then shall more Ghana Gas ma need your chiefs member ones and make Zella Benzen. There, yeah. Nasa, Kizafe, the beer era was less what. Master, you have to talk, be bold. Says the Dimayan Zuro Buffle. Mutado was Razia Dianega. Abisabia Tona mini be she, and I say, yes, the master as well. Okay, your boat net in there. You chiefs are not ladies. The chiefs of Enzima, Bele Aketechi men, you are strong men. So please, let's fight for our rights. Isn't it a Ghana gas a boy many a boy training of 1 million and grip a cleaning because that time or you cleaning over above women or Ghana gas. Being a security, about red training, you're more about security, security, Jamaica. And at the end, you employ them at Ghana Gas. Even boy, company, and you see, boy, or training many for security, and he employed them at his place, and they were securing that place for him. Moti, how more you and an institution as Ghana Gas cannot do that? I pity you, but we are Mr. What is that? Yeah, they are here for more. How many percentage of employee you better be my employee mean what Ghana Gas? We can make Ghana Gas niggas it is a matter of time. About dog reckon no. This is an order from my the employee mean baby. Isn't it then make a be a cast? Buses that's about many case 70, 80, basic bucanke, and you both can't about basic order from my they are employed and they start working. What is that order from my my the better be cheap, but don't go order from my once make but Ghana Gas. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Kakan yes, so busy, yeah. Basically, bring the deal and I don't want to be a can ever do my back on you. Like Bavado Kens Mabahunu, or you don't know says ma will go forward. Rather yam by the me a day and day. But when you talk much, they start hating you. Whether you hate me or you don't hate me, I'm talking my mind. And that is inside my fucking shit score. You cannot do anything about it. Yeah. Ghana Gas, if you are really here to help the people of Enzima, don't help us with the 00 coins. So if I for my meeting now, number Ghana Gas, mama, master bed in there. But mama, take a will be any best copy of Mama Bella, or my the rights of the youth of Enzima. They cannot trample on our rights. Yeah. Yeah, they are flack on the table, you are flack on the film, and Janet said, you flack on the film, but to go as many teachers because that time it is useless. We are not useless. We, the youth, we are not useless. I'm telling you, we are not useless. So you should do something about it. So the Jomonazro as well. And your boys will sit down, look at you, and then what are you trying to tell me? What is one bet you and your name, Zane, liquid soap, and Ghana Gas, by zero. It because zero. Cause zero work. Banyashe. Mota come by the same income. Contracting by the baby for full. Because the first one you did was a color bully. And we are not seeing anything about it with the youth of Enzima. Mota very new contracting. Now young woman will know wala. Near wo. Ya dear youth, near wo. And see a bread. Boy, why? Isn't it a do so as oh? Now, every bar review so as I have back. You have one free of your home, but lose to fight home. We don't lose fights in your home ground. No. Our home in the Amasa, an advantage. Motism home, I have the advantage to talk about what is going on here. And nobody is seizing me from that freedom. I have 4 more. But Ghana Gas very new we be contracting because we are not seeing anything about the old contract. Gas momo olu azrebu mosin. Abezi gas do mosin. Na se be de committee na se be fa tanka kon. Gas tanka kon usko be fe fiem lopu be mamba. But to be ma beze be nka be tie nwuma. Be ma chi sko nwuma. Ni sko akpale mu ani ma ahemfo ye Desrela. Imanzema ye Desrela. So you are telling me if you walk to how do you call it? Ghana Gas Kenya, they will sack you. They will say they don't want to hear from you. But one thing like mama, we are not being honest. And get as the Kumo Ghana Gas was well. Almost 5 chiefs are claiming Zani Azle and Lebazle. But you know Ghana Gas never are doing a ring or her. I'm careful in Kaleki. Nama Maizo. Now many new base already, many new base already, national Odakus already. Now 5 people, 1 phone. Master Madu Azre. I can see that you people are cheap. But that time I'll go. But my Gina, you don't fight for money. You don't fight for money. We fight for the betterment of our life, our children, our grandchildren. Masuna uncheyo sundache winke kni bia do ba wuwa ho enziama si me no beli le nwula yele nyanam gbala aye de youth ne yemve se ba wo beto pale no engongo bobo no wadia na se ba wo beto awozake no a boy e vera ba vo bobo no wadia lo ba ye wa lo bore ba ye wazibon oba ye wazibon. They should do something about this. They should do something about it. And I urge you, the chiefs of Enzema, to wake up and fight for our rights. Because the day you Ghana Gas bende, you are the closest people to Ghana Gas. You go meetings with them. You talk to them. You negotiate with them. You do anything with them. You know what is going on. So talk to them. Let them change their ways because their ways is not genuine. Their ways are not genuine. Isn't it, yo? Eh? Na some dem so mbo na sa eskuan na mo ani ali abo mali chembezi bi oja de bi osan zo oja de bobo na mali bobo ada me na bi and me say me this home sweet home. What is sweeting me at the house? Now is sweeting me at home. Make somebody do something to sweet her so that we can stay in Enzema. Aba ka semani ka kuro se bendana Enzema banya boy. O my bag go pa wala kra. Semani ka kuro se Enzema ma dia wo vele yele wo boy yele nazi. And my bag go po Accra. But are they sharing money at Accra? Possible mo ka va ho Accra ha wo ya. O ba ya lo bole adara mo ano osu no kizela. But always one perception ke bendana Enzema banya boy because of some 1 or 2, 3, 4 reasons letty. Why should it be like that? Nya Enzema nyane do mo yele. E boy wo ekwe mo ko mo oznazro de ko fin de tikobo number 1 nyevile ngome na e ka nyevila ezebie na e ka beaches ngome yala benefit akoko divu from this beach to this beach about what dey we viezi ma atu enya ase which is Elua beach no adede look ye beach me ebiri ni bola ya betu begwa ye beach ni azo no nothing ebiri bola ya betu begwa seaside Kenya yenya na bi pare mo ti so do Ghana Gas wo ga Enzema azre zo dike boya. There is no company here on in this Enzema land. Company be any apart from Ghana Gas. So I didn't see the Ghana Gas is the heart of Ghana. Ghana Gas, but I barely Ghana and ya. So if Ghana Gas goes off, Ghana about off. We are not working because but I'm telling you point and blank, Ghana Gas is our heart. Ghana our heart. Moteka mo wa hono no ko wala enye people agro enwake eningwa se enwa kamode be kwala la bantu to awro woke moti se beske Ghana Gas beske ba hore malens madia then you should do something because I come komo ale che esa ko anu ala enen ngwa ke this we ka I did that kwala tara didi prokona. You guys should do something. Yeah, you should do something. You should do something about it. Yeah, moti ye chiefs mo beden de be ko ben Ghana Gas mo ma committee na benzura be going baba da bon was my chiefs no. Yet my chiefs mo ba han ma be ba nzo be ba dia na nzo ta be den da. Ye, nzo na ti ye ben den da. You have to talk. Oh, you to don't allow work on Bengratin because always senior man be an zuletila be valley waji me be anu. Yes, now medium na wa me won na be nche waji menu wa mo bla wa pa mo bla mo be ngbanyi medium nga kwa lo school. No always senior man be azu na be va waji me be anu bobola. Moti se bele de be no kpala ngwa ratin because nkonka bi kaka na be hu nyunu a be ba yi meji mem. E bi atafa me waji menu moti me ka e bi anyimi waji menu. Ado wa vam waji menu. Wa vam waji menu le. Saying what I'm about to bad girl, let's support our own. and stop that how do you call it, barbarian life in it. This one in the Musa life in it. We are civilized. Yani a day. But me ye de be a minimum yani nzen a day. But said the cat. That's how you bet you on and got cosa. Like one bow about can and boom your beans or back. But the Gana gas better. But below where I am honey. But I can't be quiet. Whenever they beg one's the gas no birch and would keep by your more you could allow in the best them my. You have to do what we like. Hey, Nanzo the Calacana. Mamla Calam, why tender is like a Ghana gas are playing with us. But the young form point and black, be yaba, Bavaya niece in the bed benunu. Bava be niece ne, ye de youth ye niece ne. Bava, so but I for my no problem, you to my problem, you buya was all. You buya was all back, I am one. Yeah. You buya was all. But I am for my back bed de. Na ye dey minimum ye was my yenya hwe ye Ghana gas ke heat ni wure azanga heat ye wure azanga ye le kuya na bada boba ye one side bobo mo this month nyasiama ba fele be gas ni be cars more only be kizef your profit from Ghana gas anake be Ghana gas this month be fa ma nyasiele next month ekwama ba fele be gas ba ye ze hwe so ane neke na be jaza be se be city efi ban ni ya bene Ghana gas, you are building public toilets. When we have not eaten, you are giving us toilet to go and shit. You have not given us any work to do. You are not giving us anything that will earn us some living money that we use to feed. Then you said we should go and shit. Hey, my guy, what are you trying to tell me? Why you came manu, but ya nisuonu ya nuguazo. Ghana gas yang put that toilet to tongue. Ah, what are you trying to even care about record la behele? Ghana gas this. Ghana gas bed toilet. Ghana gas this. So what? You have done nothing. Ghana gas has done nothing. Building toilets for us is not an improvement at all. A company like you, like Ghana gas, and yet they be one more communities is a toilet. Before spoons men were eating, before your KVIP, we were shitting in the bushes. Before your KVIP, we were going to toilet in the bushes. Ye heat, ye Ghana gas, generate. So the chiefs should stand up and talk about it. I'm done. It's your girl, listen, ya do get the 8 time baddest, be share what I from me. Ya dope girl, ya champion, aka ya Puno, and I'm rapping live inside the United say, boy, youth, let's stand up and fight for our rights. Boy, thank you. You like, you share, you comment. And we will meet again. God bless you. May that you could be a last year.